Hello friends, welcome back to Zekko Inspection Technology. I am Shrikant and today we are covering the final and most powerful clause of ISO 9000 and 2015, that is clause 10, improvement. So far in this ISO 9001 series we have learned how to build, implement and monitor a quality management system, but here is the reality, no system is perfect. That's why clause 10 focuses on correcting mistakes, preventive reoccurrence, driving continual improvements. In this episode, we will explore clause 10 improvement, the key to make your QMS stronger and more effective over the period of time. Quality does not improve by chance, it improves through action and learning. If issues are not corrected at the root cause, they will repeat again and again. Improvement is not a long time activity, it is a continuous journey. So let's begin and simplify ISO 9001 clause 10 in a practical way. Let us now look at clause 10 from the management perspective. Now let's dive into the subclause of main clause 10, improvement, the driving force behind continuous growth and the true heartbeat of every successful organization. So here there are three subclauses, mainly 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3. Clause 10.1 emphasizes a structured approach to identifying improvement opportunities. Clause 10.2 addresses non-conformities through systematic corrective action. Basically, the focus here is not only on correction but on eliminating root causes. This always ensures prevention of reoccurrence and strengthens process reliability. Subclause 10.3 drives continual improvement for our quality management system. It relies on inputs such as audits, data analysis, and management review. Together, these elements ensure sustained performance and long-term business excellence. Now here we will see clause 10.1. Generally in this standard it states that to enhance customer satisfaction, the organization shall identify and select opportunities for improvement and implement necessary actions to meet customer requirements while improving product, services and the effectiveness of the QMS. But the big question is, what actions should we actually take? Basically, ISO does not give fixed actions. Instead, it expects organization to take appropriate action based on the situations. These actions can include improve product and services to meet customer requirements, note future customer needs and expectations by getting customer feedback, correct, prevent or reduce undesired effects through internal audits, improve the performance and effectiveness of the QMS. Now friends, here we will see clause 10.2.1, non-conformity and corrective action. Whenever a non-conformity or customer complaint occurs, that means something has gone wrong and it does not meet the requirements. The organization must take immediate and proper action on non-conformity or customer complaint, not just to fix the issues but also ensure it does not reoccur again. Here we will see how to deal with non-conformance or customer complaint. Let's see step by step. First step is always react or respond to the non-conformity as applicable. Take immediate action to control and correct it. The second action is deal with the consequences and handle the impact of the problem at the same time. Then second action is evaluate the need for action to eliminate the causes of the non-conformity so that it will not reoccur again. It can be done by reviewing and analyzing the non-conformity. Then need to determine the causes of the non-conformity. Then if similar NC exists or it could potentially reoccur, so we need to record it and we need to evaluate it. Then the third action is implement any necessary actions to eliminate the root cause. For this, we need to review the effectiveness of any corrective action taken, whether it is worked or not. Update risk and opportunities and modify risk register if necessary. Make necessary changes to the QMS procedures, SOPs or controls wherever applicable and necessary. Corrective actions shall be appropriate to the effects of the non-conformities encountered. Now we will see clause 10.2.2 that requires the organization to retain documented information as evidence of non-conformities and corrective actions taken. This includes maintaining records of the nature of the problem, where and when it occurred, immediate corrective actions made, and any subsequent actions taken to control or address the issue. The organization must also document the result of corrective actions, including root cause analysis, actions implemented to eliminate the cause, and verification of effectiveness to ensure the problem does not reoccur. These records provide traceability, support audit requirements, demonstrate compliance, and contribute to the continual improvement of the quality management system. Now, some of the common records are NCR reports, corrective and preventive action reports, root cause analysis, audit reports, corrective action and closure records. Now friends, here we will see the last subclause 10.3, that is continual improvement. Subclause 10.3 emphasizes that an organization must continuously enhance its QMS to ensure it remains suitable, adequate and effective over the period of time. This means the organization should not treat its QMS as a fixed system but must regularly evaluate and improve it to adapt to changing customer expectations, business goals, risk, technologies, and market conditions. Then the question is how to achieve continual improvement. The organization must review results of analysis and evaluations such as performance data, process efficiency, customer feedback, audit findings, non-conformities, and corrective actions. Then, from the output point of view, output from management reviews includes strategic decisions, resource needs, risk opportunities, and improvement priorities. Based on these inputs, the organization should identify areas where performance can be enhanced. Then, opportunities to improve product or service quality. Process optimization possibilities we need to find out with this review. Customer satisfaction enhancement measures which makes the QMS more effective. System weakness requiring corrective or preventive actions. With this, we have completed clause 10.3 continual improvement. Thank you for watching the final episode of our ISO 9001-2015 series clause 10 improvement. Here, one important announcement I would like to make is that I will be creating special videos covering some important clauses in detail, as in this series I am unable to explain each and every aspect of major clauses comprehensively. On behalf of Zekko Inspection Technology, I sincerely appreciate your valuable support, trust and continuous encouragement throughout this complete ISO 9001-2015 series journey. If you found this series informative and beneficial, please do like, share and subscribe to Zekko Inspection Technology to help us continue delivering high quality technical knowledge to professionals worldwide. Your support inspires us to create more valuable content on quality assurance, quality control, inspection and industrial standards. Stay connected, keep learning and keep improving. Thank you.